2 years ago, I was a broke stay-at-home mom to 3 boys, an army wife, and I was desperate to find a way to make some real money online. You guys, I had tried everything. I tried surveys, I tried network marketing, I tried those quickly emails, I tried copy and paste free ads, and nothing brought me in a substantial income. Fast forward to today, and now I have made almost $600,000 on social media without recruiting, without cold messaging friends, and without sacrificing any time with my kids. And it all comes down to one skill: digital marketing. Digital marketing is essentially teaching people a skill to market anything on all social media platforms. And here's the best part: you don't even need your own product. You can literally partner with companies who already have their own product or program or something that is already created. You can market it and you can make 100% profit doing it. Think about this. We live in a world that is selling. Target didn't make Pampers Snipers, and they sure did not make the Magnolia collection. Amazon didn't make the iPhone, and Verizon didn't even make the iPhone. Sephora doesn't make every single beauty product that they have. What happens? They end up getting the resale rights, so then they are able to market it to profit. These companies connect people to products and they earn billions doing it. Digital marketing lets you do the exact same thing, but on a smaller, more personal scale. Digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills right now. Why? Because every business, big or small, needs customers. And where are the customers at? They're online. So instead of wasting money on billboards or TV ads, businesses are learning the marketing skills to market on social media. That means there's a massive opportunity to step in and learn these skills and position yourself as the middleman between customers and a product that they already want. And here's the thing: you don't even need a marketing degree. You just need to learn to set up systems that are going to work for you 24/7. And here's what's beautiful about this. What if I could tell you that you could have your systems that are done for you and set up to work for you on autopilot? When I started this, I had absolutely no background in marketing. I had no tech experience, and honestly, I had absolutely no clue what I was doing. But I learned one thing at a time. I followed a simple step-by-step program that was telling me do this on day 1, day 2, day 3 to start to see a 6-figure income. And now I have a business that works while I'm making dinner, while I'm taking my kids to soccer practice. I've even had weeks where I've made over $14,000, even had 5-figure days, all while I have only been working about 2 hours a day. This isn't an MLM. This isn't about begging your friends to go and buy something from you. This is about learning attraction marketing so that you are attracting customers to you without ever talking to anybody. It's simply about connecting people with products that they're already looking for and getting paid for it. And here's the most important part: I didn't need to sacrifice any family time to be able to build this. And I know what that's like because I used to do network marketing. And for me to even make $3,000 a month, it required me being glued to my phone while my kids are over here going, "Mommy, mommy, mommy," and I can't go play with them because I'm trying to make sales. With digital marketing, there's none of that. You're not glued to your phone because your phone is working on autopilot for you. I built my business around my life, not the other way around. I teach people exactly how to do what I do, step by step, and I would love to help you get started. Make sure you go to the link in my description to learn more about this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get access to a lot of my free training videos. And if you want a glimpse into what exactly my 2-hour workday looks like, make sure you watch the next video. I'll see you in there.